Hey everyone, welcome to Kitchen Counter Talks, episode brought to you by Strawberry Shortcake. Actually not, it's actually brought to you by my new online membership program, Building Sufficiency with Laura Lawrence. So if you are interested in being more self-sufficient, learning all the homesteading things with a private online membership that has Q&A calls, that teaches you how to raise animals, that teaches you how to raise 80% of your food and gardening and herbalism and all that stuff, click on the link below and check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. So what we have going on here in the kitchen today, remember every kitchen counter has a story. Today's story is a mess, but I just got done teaching a sourdough class to some really lovely ladies who are gonna go home and create some really good sourdough food for their family, so I'm really excited for them. So we made a lot of fun stuff today. So we made lots of pasta noodles. This is what's left over. We made some honey butter rolls here, and I took the honey butter roll recipe and I'm making hot dog buns that look a little funny, but we're gonna cook up some bratwurst tonight from our own pork. So we needed some hot dog buns, so I used that recipe for that. We also shaped some bagels. They got to, we made the sourdough noodles. They got to do the pinch and pull method with the buns. That was fun. And then, so we did lots of sourdough stuff. And then the rest of the counter I have to go back and clean up, but we got a couple things of sprouts that are on a couple days that still need a few more days to go. We are working on fermenting some carrots for some ginger carrot sticks for some probiotics for the kids. I got a lovely gift from a friend today for Christmas, some coffee liqueur and some vanilla from Ecuador, I believe it was. So that's exciting. And then here is my fire starter that I made a month ago that I need to go ahead and drain out. This is a great herbal remedy for immune boosting and virus fighting and stuff like that. So I gotta get that drained and fixed and put that in a new container. So yeah, this is what's going on in the kitchen today. What's going on in your kitchen counters?